Hi guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, today in this video we are gonna see how to apply a tourist visa for Haiti. Before I proceed further, if you have not already subscribed to my channel, please go and subscribe right now. And also I would like to clarify, neither I am an immigration consultant nor I am a government body. So if you take anything out of this video, you do it at your own risk. Alright guys, so let's proceed. So guys, first of all, we need to find out who needs a visa to visit or to do tourism of Haiti. Very few people need. So in front of you, I have opened their embassy website of Washington DC in USA. You can open the website that is, of the embassy that is near to you. And they have clearly mentioned nationals of the following countries require a visa to enter Haiti. So very few: Dominican Republic, Panama, Colombia, Cuba, Syria, Libya, Iran, Vietnam, Yemen. And those who need, they need to apply at least 1 month in advance with the following documents: completed application form, two passport size photo, letter explaining the reason, length of stay, name, address, and telephone number of hotel or hotels where they will be staying, valid passport, photocopy of round trip booking, confirmation ticket, letter from applicant's current employer. And the fee is gonna be, so these are the ordinary, or I would say general document that need for every kind of visa application for tourism, as I have seen. And the fee is US dollars 25, okay, and it's gonna be valid for 3 months with only one entry, and the fee must be paid with money order, certified check, or cashier's check made out to the embassy of Haiti. So that's what I'm saying, like where you are applying, it's very important because here they have not given any online process, but you can check at the location there maybe in case you need a visa. Now for all other nationals, those who don't need a visa, then they can travel based on their passport, and they will be submitting their passport to the immigration officer. I mean, where they will land, for example, the airport, and it should have the validity of at least 6 months, but they also have to pay $10 at the airport as tourist fee. Okay. So that's how it's simple as is, guys. So just to summarize, like look at the, we got the idea that in many cases you don't even need, but even if you need, look at the embassy that is responsible for you, and then um, find out if they have any other process, like anywhere you can apply online or something, or you just have to follow this. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.